In this tutorial, I will explain about LoRa and its application along with small project. Here we can see this is LoRa module and its daughter board. Here LoRa means long range. This technology introduced by Semtech. It consumes less power when comparing with Zigbee, RF, Wi-Fi and other wireless technologies. Here, typical LoRa modules can achieve 1 to 20 km range. These are bidirectional communication modules. In these modules, mostly used in IoT applications. Here, different countries have different frequencies for LoRa communications. In India, we have to set 433 MHz. Here, in this project, we have used SX1278RA02 model which operates on 433 MHz. These models interface with Arduino through SPI protocols. We can see here on both sides I have connected with Arduino. Here we can control light and fan from LoRa transmitters when we press these buttons. If you press this button, command will transmit and the light will be on. For second button, light will be off. Similarly, fan on and fan off. Now we will see how it works. Power on. We can see here on both LCDs light and fan. Here we have 4 buttons: light on, light off, fan on, fan off. If you are pressing this first button for light on, you can see here light on. Second one for light off. Third one for fan on. Fourth one for fan off.